Wow. All right, so you got the Valence battery there, the 50-liter battery, the connector here, the water pump here, Stealth Flow, the ball valve, the shower there, and everything was on a platform. Everything is connected to the platform, which is actually going on the top. There's the extension for the platform plus the seat, which is actually there. As you can see right there, if I want to remove the platform and everything is connected underneath, I need to have some connectors. So I use these big, huge Anderson for 4 gauge, plus the smaller one right there for the remote for the DC to DC charger. Same thing here. So that's the remote, the small Anderson, plus the big Anderson. That's a freaking big one. But that's what it is, right? So crimp it out. Over there, plus now I'm working on this thing. It looks like very familiar. Yes, it is a trailer plug. Basically, I have 3 different circuit. For one, the pump, second, the wire here plus the display, and here I have the fridge, which is going to be connected over there. Eventually there's going to be more things, but just to give you a heads up, water pumps, DC outlet, auxiliary, overland lights, so that was actually over there, fridge, and I used to have like ceiling lights also for interior. It's going to come later. That's what it is for today. Enjoy. Tomorrow girlfriend is arriving from Montreal and we're going and Twasin to Sydney Island of Vancouver. Stay safe, quiet, and look for the rest.